In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an automated workflow using Make, a fantastic AI workflow automation tool. Whether you're looking to streamline your tasks or simply interested in exploring automation, this guide will walk you through every step of the process. We'll start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Make website. This is your launchpad for automating tasks and scenarios. Once you're there, the next thing you need to do is click on the Login button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the page, and from there you'll be prompted with a few options. To make the login process as smooth as possible, go ahead and click on Continue with Google. Using Google to sign in is convenient and secure, as it saves you the hassle of remembering another password. After you've successfully logged in, you're ready to dive into automating tasks. Look for the Scenarios tab, typically situated in the main navigation panel. Click on it to open the Scenarios page. This is where the magic of automation begins. On this page, you'll see an option to Create Scenario. Click it and you're on your way to creating a tailored automation flow. With your blank scenario ready, you'll want to add specific actions and services. You'll notice a plus button. Click on it to search for Asana. If you're managing tasks in Asana, integrating it with Make is a powerful way to keep everything synchronized. Select Asana from the options to proceed. In this scenario, you'll want to check for new tasks or subtasks. Select the relevant option that suits your needs, ensuring your workflow will act on exactly what you're interested in monitoring. Once you've done that, you need to establish a new connection. Click on Add Connection. This step is crucial as it allows Make to communicate with your Asana account. Don't forget to save this connection. Now here's an important note. If you're already logged into Asana, you won't be redirected to another tab, making this process quick and efficient. With the connection in place, the next part is to set up an automated watch. Click on Watch and choose something to monitor, like completed tasks. This will be your trigger for automation. After selecting what to monitor, it's time to choose your workspace. Click on Workspace and select My Company or any workspace you prefer. Follow that up by saving your choice. Always remember to save your configurations to avoid losing any setup adjustments. To wrap up your scenario creation, select a starting point. When do you want the automation to kick in? Once chosen, finalize by clicking Save. Congratulations, you've set up an automated workflow in Make. It's now ready to run autonomously, freeing up your time for more important tasks. Enjoy the efficiency that comes with automation.